to Helen's Kitchen. Today we will be doing the General Tso's Tofu. So here I have 2 blocks of firm tofu that I have cut into 2 cm chunks, and I have transferred into a Ziploc bag and marinated it with 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and marinated for about 30 minutes. And here I have 1 cup of cornstarch, which I will coat the tofu with before frying. Here I have the sauce that is made up of 1/4 cup of water, 3 tablespoons of black vinegar, 3 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine, 1½ tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1½ tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. 100 ml of cooking oil. Once it's hot enough, you can add in the tofu. Just make sure that the extra cornstarch is dusted off. Just shake off the excess cornstarch before putting it in. 2 minutes later, flip the tofu, fry the other side. Make sure that every side is golden brown. Once it's all brown, golden brown, remove the tofu, drain them on paper towels. Tofu has been fried. We will move on to the stir fry part. So here we will have 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 3 dried chili cut, and then this is 3 spring onion chop, and this is the sauce that I have already shown earlier. Now we will move on to the stir fry. Tablespoon of cooking oil into a clean wok. Heat up the oil and then add in the garlic, the ginger, the chili, and the spring onion. Start stirring so that it doesn't burn until it's very fragrant. Fragrant, you stir the sauce that we have put together to make sure that the cornstarch is dissolved, and then add it into the wok. Bring the sauce to a boil. The sauce starts to boil, add in the tofu and make sure you coat all the tofu with the sauce.